Hello everyone, my name is Ms. Sawani Thira Sutripong. I am a graduate student of the Faculty of Engineering at Suranali University of Technology, Thailand. Today, I am going to present the interesting research entitled Design Thinking Workshop Implementation in Telecommunication Engineering Student. If you have any question, I will be pleased to answer your question at the end of our talk. Let's start with the first part of the introduction. Nowadays, the world has drastically changed from the past and seems to continue changing rapidly. The living and working in organizations use technology more to improve life and work. The Telecommunication Engineering Department plans to hold the training for design thinking skill to improve and reform learning systems for students to make them obtain useful characteristics that should for the 21st century and let them have knowledge and also to make them be creative and able to analyze and problem-solving skill to compete in modern society with design thinking processes. The second main part of methodology, design thinking course overview. Design thinking is the human-centric working method that focuses on operation and teamwork to creative understanding, change the way of thinking and solve problems. And design thinking process. Design thinking is divided into 5 processes. Step 1. Empathize to understand the problem that we want to solve. Step 2. Define to analyze and synthesize data that we collect from the one's process and select only significant detail to expand to the problem. Step 3. Ideas to brainstorm to find the problem solution which should be free and independent. Step 4. Prototype to create the original way to check the solution that we make. And finally, step 5. Test to test that all processes that we make for problem solving. This activity will present proposal presentation rubric associated with its operation training to let students perform brainstorm and present in design thinking creatively with measuring standard and evaluation. Design thinking evaluation tool. There will both direct and indirect evaluation in the activity for direct evaluation. We use final project presentation rubric to evaluation the group project of the design thinking based on the 1 to 5 ranking scale. Finally, main point in this part, I will inform you about resource and discussion. Design thinking workshops support student learning and applying the knowledge to practice in various ways. Also, improving skill to solve problems and innovate ideas in the 21st century. Those all above are useful to improve themselves for the telecommunication engineering student at Suranali University of Technology to manage the educational course onwards. This is the end of my presentation. Thank you very much for your kind attention.